Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about convergent, divergent. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about comparison test. So we know that the range of cosine k that is from negative number 1 to positive number 1. However, we have the power 4. So we know that number 4 that is about the even number. So when we put the even number cone here, they always provide the positive number. So the range of cosine k to the power of 4 that should be about from 0 to number 1. Next, we multiply k over k to the power of 3 plus 1 for the both sides. Now, we can simplify this one and we have number 0. And now we can put the summation for the both sides in here. So they will be like this. This one, they always equals to number 0. Now we need to consider about this one. So in this situation, I can use about integral test. So that should be about the integration from number 1 to positive infinity. So in this situation, I will use about the program to calculate this one. And this one we have like this. So because we calculate this one, that means this one should be about convergent. So because this one convergent in here, that means this series in here should be about convergent. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.